Today is day 8 of my stay at the quarantine center, and honestly I've been trying to find things to keep myself occupied, and today I thought I would try and make Dalgona coffee with just the things that the hotel gave us, which is really just a kettle, fridge, coffee, as well as sugar. So I'm going to show you how I actually succeeded in making it. So while your water is boiling in the kettle, take your coffee sachets. I started with 2, just pour it into a bowl and follow it with the same amount of sugar. So in this instance 2, put it all inside, and once the water is boiled, just put the same amount as well into the mixing. Okay, moment of truth. Let's see if it actually works. I don't want so much milk, so I'm going to use cold water in place of ice. Freezer. Okay. I'm just gonna mix it to make sure it's okay. Okay. I'm so proud of this. Please just stay. Help, just float. Just float. Oh my gosh.